So, ito na yung tatlong in-order ko na flavor. Chicken with cheese, beef with cheese, and then egg with cheese. So guys, nandito tayo sa Sukwakit. Titikman natin ang kanilang chapati. So ito guys, yung beef chapati nila. Titikman natin yung beef chapati nila. May bell pepper. So guys, ito yung chicken chapati nila guys. Tingnan natin yung chicken chapati nila. With cheese. Para siyang pinakuluan na chicken breast. Tapos nilagyan nila ng cheese. Ito yung pinaka the best. Egg with cheese. So, tikman natin guys. Scrambled egg siya. May cheese and sarap. The best.